The purpose of this video is to show you how easy it is to create an online assignment. I'm editing this task sheet, so you look down through it and it'll say on paper for submitting. So go to edit, click on paper for submission type, change it to online, activate text so they can copy and paste, website if you want to link it that way, a media recording so they can send you a video from their smartphone of them doing the task sheet, and a file upload which allows them to send you the PDF of the task sheet that they saved from CDX. Don't forget to hit save, and then you're going to have to go next and scroll through. I haven't found an easy way to scroll through them all except for hitting next and going one by one. It takes about a half hour to do a class. The beautiful part is I'm going to show you two different ways that we grade this now that we've created it. The traditional way, you've probably done it before, is opening your course, going to the grade book, and then searching for that task sheet. There it is. Searching for the task sheet and then entering the grade manually. When the student has submitted an online assignment, you're going to see this little box. And you want to click on that and then click the over button, give it a minute, and it'll load a menu over here. Go right into SpeedGrader. And there we go. We're on the student for the assignment. That's pretty simple. The less conventional way would be to go through the task sheet tab at the top. I'll show you right now. There we go. And scroll back over, find that task sheet. You can click on task sheet up here. Now your first instinct is probably going to go download submission. Don't do that. Once again, go back to SpeedGrader. Now SpeedGrader is going to open the entire task sheet, the grading schedule for that whole task sheet. So see, we're on Andre. We're going to scroll through until we get to Carrie Rogers. So let's look at what Carrie submitted. The reason I have to save it is because I've already looked at it 3 times.
C952 video test.
I had him send that to me as a test. Alright, now the easy way to grade this is when you're in your dashboard, you're probably going to click on your course and go to grades. Don't do that. Scroll down here to the bottom where it says view grades. And now you probably want to click on the class. Don't do that. Go to student interaction report. Ungraded assignments are automatically populated on this right hand column. We can go down and see task sheet C952 from Carrie Rogers, and it takes us right to that spot without having to go to the grade book. I think that's a lot easier way to do it, and good luck.